Hi, my name is Ayana Glaze, and I am the designer and mind behind Glaze Jewelry. I'm really excited to introduce you to my new YouTube channel. In this channel, there's going to be so much talk about gemstones. We're going to talk about repairing jewelry. We're going to talk about gemstone meanings and just quality and everything. I'm really excited about this channel, just as I am about my jewelry designs and working with the different materials, the different shapes. So pretty much in this channel I'm going to talk about my love for jewelry and jewelry design. It's really something that excites me. I'm inspired by different things in nature. We're just going to talk about a lot of stuff, so stay tuned. Feel free to comment. Also, feel free to follow me on my blog, gettingstoned.blogspot.com. Again, that's gettingstoned.blogspot.com. All my information, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that information, and also the blog as well. All those links will be in the comment box below. Thanks.